I'm Anthony at Boatshed Pool. I'll give you a quick walk around the Sunseeker Sovereign S20 1971. It's believed to be the first boat ever produced by Sunseeker. Sunseeker number 1. It's been lovingly restored under the stewardship of the current owner. All the work has been professionally undertaken. This is the original hull and colour. Gel coat. Comes with a 4-wheeled braked German trailer, which has new axles, bearings and gates been fully refurbished. Foredeck has all been redone, strengthened. That is the trailer again. Beautiful classic lines. Foredeck again, a hatch. Boarding ladder. Inside, chrome breathers for the engine room, fitted with a new engine and new leg in 2011, which has covered approximately 15 hours. Outboard bracket, back into the interior.